Good morning friends, myself Manish Kumar, presently working as a lecturer at Government Polytechnic Patiala, and my today's lecture is projection of lines. It is a subject of first year architecture assistantship. So let's start. Before starting projection of lines, you should know what is plan, what is meant by elevation, what is meant by side elevation, what is meant by horizontal plane, what is meant by vertical plane, and quadrants. Students should know what is plan, what is elevation, what is side elevation, what is horizontal plane, what is vertical plane, and what is meant by quadrants. If you know all these points, only then we can start projection of lines. So, we will briefly discuss what is plan. Plan is top view. Top view is plan. Elevation is front view. Of object is elevation. Side view. Of object is side elevation. Top view is plan, front view is elevation, and side view is side elevation, and quadrants are like this. This is quadrant number 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, and this plane is this plane, horizontal plane, and this here is vertical plane or VP. This is horizontal plane and this is vertical plane. So let's start projection of lines. First of all, you should know what line is. What is line? Line is simply joining of 2 points. Say I have a point 1, say point A, and here I have a point B. If I join these 2 points, I will get a line. This is a line. So line has a starting point which is point A, and line has a ending point and which is point B, and line has some length. So we can get line by joining 2 points, and this line can be straight or this line can be like this also. This is point A, this is point B. Line can be something like this. Line can be straight, curved, or even dotted. Point A, point B. And line has some length, and sometime it has direction also. If I mark this arrow here, so this has direction also. For drawing orthographic projections, we imagine that its thickness is negligible. So let's start drawing orthographic projections. First we will do simpler exercises. In exam we will be getting statements like this. Say question, a straight line AB 5 centimeter long is resting on horizontal plane. Second part of the condition is and it is, say, parallel to horizontal plane and vertical plane. So before solving this, you should do some rough work in mind or rough calculation. You can imagine your pencil as a line AB. Imagine your pencil is line AB and your question, fold your question paper like this. Say this is your question paper. Fold it from here and this will become like this. Fold your question paper like this. So this represents horizontal plane and this part which is making 90-degree angle represents vertical plane. And imagine your pencil as a line AB. So try to place your pencil in this plane. So as per statement, line AB is 5 centimeter long and it is resting on HP, means line is resting somewhere on this plane. And it is parallel to the horizontal plane. Yes, it is parallel to this plane. And VP, as this distance and this distance is same, equal, so this is parallel to the both the planes. Now how to draw its projections? Draw a straight line. This represents x-axis. We will draw first plane. As line is 5 centimeter long, so we draw a line here. A, B, it is 5 centimeter. We can dimension it here like this. Line starts from here and goes up to here. This is plan of the line AB. Now how to draw its elevation? As this line is resting on the HP, that means its elevation will be negligible and it will be visible very close to this line. So we will take guidelines from here, and this distance represents its projection in elevation. Say this is point A dash and this is B dash. In the end, dark this AB and this AB also. This dark line represents plan of the given line. Write here plan in capitals. and this represents elevation of the given line. Write here elevation. Right, and give bigger heading here, projections of given line. Projections of given line AB. So this solves our first example. Now take another example. In this we can take little complicated question. Say our line AB is parallel to both the planes and 3 centimeter above horizontal plane, and 5 centimeter away from vertical plane. So in this question we have some conditions with the line. First, a line AB, say which is 5 centimeter long again, is parallel to both the planes. Both the planes means HP as well as VP. Parallel to HP and VP. And other conditions are 3 centimeter above HP and 5 centimeter away from vertical plane. So once again do the rough drawings by folding your question paper like this. So this again becomes horizontal plane, this becomes vertical plane, and imagine your pencil as a line. Just try to place your pencil in this plane. As this is parallel to both the planes, so line is something like this. It is parallel to both the planes. This distance and this distance is same, and from this plane to this distance and this distance is same. These two distances are same and these two distances are same. That means line is parallel to both the planes. Other conditions are 3 centimeter above HP, means this point is vertically 3 centimeter from this horizontal plane. So this is 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter away from vertical plane. If this is vertical plane, so this distance is 5. So how to draw the projections? Again draw a line. Say this represents x-axis. Draw a line. If this distance is 5 centimeter, so take 5 centimeter distance from axis line down. From here draw a line like this. This distance is 5 centimeter, length of line. So this is plan, and this 5 centimeter is this distance. When we will view from top, it will be visible in horizontal plane. Now how to draw its elevation? Just draw guidelines from this and guidelines from point this. Say this is point A, this is point B. As line is 5 centimeter, as line is 3 centimeter above horizontal plane, means from here we will take 3 centimeter. Say this is 3 centimeter and we draw horizontal line like this. Say this is A dash and this is B dash. So at present everything is in guidelines. In the end you should dark this line, A dash and B dash, dark. This represents elevation. And this here represents dark this also. This represents plane. Capitals, say 5 mm thick. This is 5 mm. And give bigger heading in 1 centimeter. Again projection of given line AB, as we have done in previous question. So I hope this is clear. Now let's take a little more complex example. Say a line AB is, say again 5 centimeter long, is perpendicular. This is symbol of perpendicular, perpendicular to horizontal plane HP and parallel to vertical plane or VP. One more condition is there, and line is 7 centimeter away from vertical plane. There may be some more condition. First solve this. Say these are the complete conditions. Before starting to solve the question, read the statement once or twice till you understand it completely. A line AB 5 centimeter long is perpendicular to horizontal plane. This is one condition. And parallel to vertical plane. This is second condition. And third condition is, and line is 7 centimeter away from vertical point. So you have to satisfy all the these three conditions. First, in rough, quickly make horizontal plane and vertical plane and try to imagine the position of the line. Say a line AB is perpendicular to horizontal plane, means line is not like this. It is perpendicular to horizontal plane, means line is like this. So at present this is making 90-degree angle with the so a line is making 90-degree angle with horizontal plane. Say this is point A, this is point B. So we have satisfied this condition that line is perpendicular to horizontal plane. Second is parallel to vertical plane. If both these points, point end A and end B is equal, if it is equal, that means it is parallel to vertical plane. We have solved this also. And third condition is 7 centimeter away from vertical plane. That means this distance should be 7 and this distance too should be 7. So this is how our line will be. So how to draw its projections? Again, draw a line, horizontal line on the sheet, say x-axis. This line is this x-axis is basically this line. Next, now you cannot draw plan first, you should draw elevation first. As in elevation only we will see complete length of the line AB. This straight line will be clearly visible in this vertical plane. Lines AB's projections will be clearly visible in vertical plane only. So we will draw first straight line like this, say from here A, say this is point A, this is point B, this is line AB in elevation, and as its length is 5, so you should dimension it here like this. You should write like this, 5 centimeter. Again, dark 5 mm thick text. Now for drawing plan, we have to look downward, and if we look downward from this point, it will be just dot, straight down. So draw a line from here, guideline, and this distance should be 7 centimeter. Here. You can dark this dot little. In plan we will see only dot. This is plan. And in elevation we will see complete line AB, this line AB, dark this. This is elevation. This dot is plan. If it is AB in plan, we will mark this point as B dash oblique. As we are seeing from top, B will come first, then will come point A. B dash oblique A dash. So this solves the given problem, and we can draw a projection of the given line like this. Again, give heading here and complete the answer. I hope you understand this. Now let's take another example. Say a line AB, again a line AB, 5 centimeter long, is perpendicular to VP. Perpendicular to VP is first condition. and parallel to HP, parallel to horizontal plane is second condition, and 3 centimeter above horizontal plane, 3 centimeter above horizontal plane, this is third condition. Now how to solve this? Again we will draw horizontal plane and vertical plane in rough, or fold our question paper like this, and with the help of pencil start imagining the position of the line. As line is, first say we will take this condition, line is perpendicular to vertical plane, means line is not like this, line is like this. So our line is something like this. Now it is making 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree here. So we have solved this problem, that line is perpendicular to vertical plane, this is VP and this is HP. Second condition is it is parallel to the horizontal plane. If say this is point A, this is end B of the line, if both these distances are same, that means line is parallel to horizontal plane. Now third part of the condition is this line is 3 centimeter above horizontal plane, means this distance should be 3. Okay students. So how to draw orthographic projection again? Draw a straight line AB, sorry, x-axis. Now our line will be visible in plan only. This 5 centimeter long line AB will be truly visible in plan only. So its projection on plan will be something here like this. So we will draw a line from here and draw a line like this, right? Say this is point A of the line, starting point, and this is the ending point of line, point B, and line is 5 centimeter long. Now, second part is elevation. This AB represents plan. Sorry. This AB represents plan. Plan of the given line AB, and in elevation we will see just dot. If this is straight line perpendicular to the vertical plane from here, from front we will see just this point, and this point should be 3 centimeter above this axis line. Here this distance is 3 centimeter. So in plan we will see this complete line, dark this line AB, and in elevation dark just this point. This dot represents both the ends, end B as well as end A, and we will write if this is B, this is A in plan, In elevation, we will write here B dash oblique A dash. B will come first. We always see from this side, from here.